Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off S Pen Air View to preview text, images and web pages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then in here, we go down and tap on S Pen. Next, you want to go down and tap on Air View. Tap on the Air View toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now you can tap on the left hand side panel and view some information. It said that once you turn on Air View, you can preview text, images and web pages by hovering your S Pen over the screen. And it can give you a preview of calendar events and reminders. Quickly see the pictures in your albums by hovering your S Pen over them. You can swap and down by hovering your S Pen over the edge of the screen. And also you can use it to preview web pages. And so let's take a look at the demo. So I'm going to open up my gallery, and if I hover my pen over the downloads for our album, you can see it shows a preview right here, and this one right here, or this copy album. So that's in gallery. So let's say if we got calendar. I'm not sure if I set up my calendar or not, so I'm going to type it in, calendar, and then in my calendar I can say hover over this day right here to see if there is any information. Now the moment when I hover, nothing happens. It could be because there's not many events in here, and you can see if I hover, only one pop-up. It shows only one event because I don't have a lot of events in here. It still shows what kind of events I have for that particular day, and at the moment I only got one, and that's it. Finally, we can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and that's it. So that's how you can actually turn it on or off on your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.